Welcome to our channel. If you want to close your Square business account and permanently delete your information from the platform, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper account closure. Step 1. Log in to your Square dashboard using your account credentials on the Square website. Step 2. Before closing your account, make sure to complete all pending transactions and resolve any outstanding chargebacks or disputes. Step 3. Transfer any remaining balance from your Square account to your linked bank account. Navigate to Balance and initiate a transfer of all available funds. Step 4. Click on Account and Settings in the left sidebar menu of your Square dashboard. Step 5. Scroll down to find Business Information and click on it to access your account management options. Step 6. Look for the Close Account option at the bottom of the Business Information page. Click on this to begin the closure process. Step 7. Square will display a warning message explaining the consequences of closing your account, including loss of transaction history, inventory data, and customer information. Read this carefully. Step 8. If you have any Square devices or hardware, you'll be prompted about returning them or keeping them. Follow the instructions provided. Step 9. Confirm your decision by clicking Close My Account and entering your password when prompted for final verification. Step 10. Check your email for a confirmation message from Square, verifying that your account has been permanently closed. Step 11. Note that some data may be retained by Square for legal and compliance purposes even after account closure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.